I'm 55. I used to be a timber faller. I was hurt 15 years ago. Cutting timber, you're going to get hurt. It's just a matter of when and how bad. Mine was pretty bad. I knew it would happen one day, and it did. My grandpa broke his neck and back doing the same job. My nephew does the same job too. Hopefully he won't get hurt. It's having a really good day. I pulled my strip up the hill a long ways. By the end of the day, we were really close, and he cut a corner off. I had my head down looking for my axe, and I got clobbered. Tree hit me. I saw a white flash. I came to. About that time, this guy who felled the tree on me came down the hill. I panicked and told him just leave me, going to town, get me help, because it was just the two of us on the job. So he left me. I was trying to get my shirt off. I was going to make a homemade tourniquet and just tie it above my knee and get a stick and tighten up the best I can. Somebody showed up about 20 minutes later. They took me to Harborview. I was walking again about a year on a prosthetic. Yeah, my old leg with a pin, I could do this. Stump would come out of the socket about 3 inches. They were basically just pin legs, just really basic legs. It was really bad, so I made some calls, found Cascade. I met with them about a year ago. Well, Larry did me really good on my last leg. Gave me the latest and greatest technology. Takes his time and does a good job. I can wear my boots and my gym shoes. You dial it down for uneven ground, then you tighten it up for flat to where it kind of launches you as you take a step. I'm in the gym 5 days a week now. This, I have the suction, I have the suspension, and the hydraulic foot, which is really nice. I'm doing really good, really happy.
What would you say to someone who is starting their road to recovery?
Find a good prosthesis and a good attitude.